Anybody wey know Benin well well go know wire road. Wire road na popular road for Benin. In fact, e get one thing wey dem go say na wa for wire road o. Yes, na wa for wire road, because the thing wey I wan talk about, e dey connected to wire road. One thing wey I go ask na say, why people no dey learn from the mistakes of the past? Why you people go know something wey happen for past, dem go come still dey do that thing even when dem know say that thing no good? The thing just dey baffle me. Now for that wire road, e get this place wey dem dey call Planwell. In fact, no be for the wire road, but na from wire road you go go there. So if person dey take bus, for example, maybe you dey take bus from Ring Road to Gbowo, e get what dem dey call Planwell junction. People go stop there, and they call am Planwell because many years ago, for the early 90s, the economy bad, but not be like today, but e bad, as in that time lecturer go dey go farm. No be say lecturers no dey earn well, people no dey earn well at all. Things dey very harsh. You know, say if you go farm, say, oh, because I wan eat healthy food, I dey into organic eating. Na lie, no be organic eating cause am. Lecturers dey go farm because salaries no dey good. You know, military regime now, you no go fit talk. Who you wan talk about? Now we dey talk about democracy, fundamental human right. That time fundamental wetin, dem go just lock you for jail. So the oppression na just normal that time. So you go, as you see am, you go take am. So that time the economy dey harsh. Na these people come out, they call themselves Planwell. Another one wey they call themselves something gold, I don forget am. If you now remember the gold mine or something, I don't know the other name, but Planwell, their own na money. If you put money, let's say you put like 10 naira, before how many days they go say 20 naira. Now so the money go dey grow 30 naira. So people dey make money, come be like say, hey, if you no do am, you go be like say na you carry last. That time people, things bad now. So parents, people generally just dey put money. That time too small o. Maybe I for put money, if to say I don big reach, maybe I for put money, maybe I for fall mugu. So na so dem dey put money o. Na so money dey come out, people just dey go there. That road, that time I dey pass that road wey wire road. Once you just dey reach that Planwell junction, somebody go say stop me o, go tell the conductor stop me for Planwell junction, because people dey go there well well. But me, I never go the Planwell itself, but I know say e dey that area. Na so at the end of the day, wetin come happen? This Planwell people, they come carry people money plenty. They run. The thing e cause shock waves all over Benin. The other one wey they call themselves something gold. Now so those ones not be money o. They'll say if you put, I think you still put money, they'll say they go give you like a fan, they go give you like fridge after some months. Come be like say the thing dey this thing. So Planwell people, you know wetin come happen at the end of the day? They take people money, they run, they scatter. Benin people, if you see wetin happen that time for Benin, everybody, Benin dey shake because people put money. People wey put money, not be one, not be two, there plenty. Luckily, my relative wey put money, at least the money wey she put in, she see the money comot, but she no make extra, but she no lose. But some people, e get one particular person, e dey work for this company. Now so e carry, that time now they dey pay in cash. Not be now when everything na maybe bank and all this thing. Now so e carry everybody money, everybody salary or something like that, go put for the Planwell. Say in 2 months, when the money come out, you go fit pay the salary. At the end of the day, Planwell carry their money, the person money chop. The person kpai himself o. Na so the person take kpai himself. So now e get this one wey they call CBEX. Why people no dey learn? When people go come meet you, they tell you things like say, oh, if you put, I know say the economy harsh, yes, but sometimes make we dey put our head down, make we dey rational, make we dey think well. If person come tell you say when you put this amount, particular amount, e go give you this amount, you go ask the person say exactly how. There are processes to making money. Money not just dey grow for tree. The way people dey think am, somebody go come tell you say bring money, e go offer you one big thing, you go just fall mugu. Not be like that. We need to be calming down, especially when it comes to money matter. Money na spirit. People no dey understand that. Money na spirit. If you make money your lord, if you worship money, money go rule you. But if you tell yourself say when I need to do something, the money go come. Not be say you no go work hard, not be say you go just sit down, you no go do anything. No. But e get the way you go look money. Money go come become like your slave. Not be you go be slave to money. So that you no go dey put hand for so many things. People don put hand for so many things because they want money at all cost. we know say things hard, but greed, not let yourself become a victim. You come because of greed. Most of the time, sometimes when people dey even look for money, wetin dem dey take this money do? Na frivolous things. Dem no dey even use the money do concrete things. Na one vanity or the other. Dem wan get this money, dem wan buy this thing, dem wan do this thing, so that people go dey look dem say dem owe pepper, dem owe pepper. Abeg Nigerians, that CBEX thing, especially people wey grow up for Benin. If you grow up for Benin in the 90s and you put hand for this CBEX matter, I say toin, because you know, not be say you no know. For the others wey no know, maybe na the first time for una life una know this kind thing, make una no put hand. Next time they come with one big promise, say if you do this you go do this, no lis ten to them. Money go come when e go come. Just dey do your own jejely, no become victim to all these fraudsters. They full everywhere. Forget, fraudsters full everywhere. Everywhere na im dey. So make una shine una eye till I see una for the next video, when I go talk about something wey go sweet una well, or wey go give all of us plus me better sense. Make una do.